Hello and welcome to another edition of There's a Thought from the Lonely Seats. Born 23rd of March was actress Joan Crawford, born in 1904. She said this: learn and know your enemy. If we attacked another, claiming they meant harm, we would be the aggressor, bringing force of arms. How can we then call upon our allies to come to our aid, when the pact is for defence, not aggression? But now we are afraid. We've gone too far with what we've done, bit off more than we can chew. Now we expect help from everyone, demand it all come through. Tax their people to pay for our folly, to offer their forces for what? When we're no more than a braggart, and hatred is all that we've got.
If the cap fits, there's a thought.